Welcome to Project 4, where we build a dynamic disco strobe light using an Arduino. This project allows you to build a dynamic strobe light. You'll use a potentiometer to change the light speed. The red and blue LEDs mimic a police car, and you can add up to 10 LEDs total. To get started, you'll need your Arduino board, a breadboard, jumper wires, 2 blue and 2 red LEDs, a 50k ohm potentiometer, and 4 220 ohm resistors. Gather all your components. Start by wiring the LEDs. Place all 4 LEDs into the breadboard. Connect the shorter negative legs to the GND rail. Then, link the GND rail to the Arduino GND pin. Next, wire the resistors and group the colors. Insert a 220 ohm resistor for each LED, connecting it to the longer positive leg. Finally, link the red LEDs together and the blue LEDs together. Now, connect the outputs to the Arduino. Connect the red LEDs to Arduino pin 12 and the blue LEDs to Arduino pin 11. Next, wire the potentiometer. Place it into the breadboard. Connect the center pin to analog pin A0. Connect the left and right pins to the GND and plus 5 volts rails. The sketch assigns roles to the hardware. The code sets the potentiometer as an analog input. It also sets digital pins 11 and 12, which are connected to the LEDs, as outputs. The sketch runs in a loop. The Arduino reads the potentiometer value from A0. This value becomes the delay variable, which dictates the strobe speed by cycling the red and blue LEDs on and off. The hardware action triggers a software reaction. When the potentiometer turns, the analog value changes, adjusting the delay variable. As a result, the LEDs blink faster as the output pins cycle faster. The complete system journey starts with your hand turning the knob. This changes the analog input, which the code uses to alter the delay variable, changing the strobe speed of the flashing LEDs.